Hello, my name is Raimund from Carinthia. In this video I would like to show you how to combine a Defense 4 sleeping bag with our Combat Bivy Bag. Let's just start maybe with the sleeping bag first. So if you want to check out the video to our Defense 4, please check out this video right over there. The Defense 4 is one of the most sold sleeping bags at Carinthia. It is a very robust and still minimalistic sleeping bag, but if you want to make sure to have extra protection by staying in the fields overnight, pair it with the Bivy Bag. And here with the Combat Bivy Bag, for example, you see a very minimalistic 3-layer laminate Bivy Bag from Gore. If you want to check the video out to the Combat Bivy Bag, please press the link up here. But just let's continue to show you how easy it is. You just take the Defense 4, the Combat is able to open halfway. You just put the foot part first, shoveling it down all the way. I would recommend you to put an isomat underneath. Maybe you can put the isomat in between the Bivy Bag and the sleeping bag, or simply put the isomat on the bottom of the Combat Bivy Bag, for example. So when I refer to isomat, I mean a sleeping pad, so a cushioned mat where you can put the sleeping bag on. Here you can see that by adjusting it, probably you see that the head area is fairly high, but at the same time you can be sure that all the area is covered with the Combat Bivy Bag, and by, let's say, adjusting the mosquito net, you're able to have an extra layer of protection. Here it is, so that you can also let it open like this over day, for example, so that no bugs or insects can enter your Bivy Bag. But as you can see, the Combat Bivy Bag is a very minimalistic one, because you really want to make sure that the full sleeping bag stays safe and secure within the Bivy Bag. And this particular model has no poles, so you see that it's actually like laying flat right here. If you want to check out Bivy Bags from us, where you would have more room in some areas with poles, I would refer to the Observer Plus or the Micro Tent, for example. But the Combat Bivy Bag is made in a very minimalistic way, just to be a safety Bivy Bag, a Bivy Bag that is very reliable without any fancy features like poles. So it does its job in a perfect manner. Check the description underneath to check out the product.